Hi everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. My name is Alice. I'm happy to have you back in my Junk Journal with Me video. In this video, I'll be sharing a journaling process that I did with Daphne's Diary magazine and my digital printable Blue Floral. They are cutouts from this year's first issue of Daphne's Diary. You saw me cutting them in the last journaling video. So I'm gonna work on this page today that has a fold out on the left and it's a narrow page on the right. I figured the basic layout with the text and photos from the magazine. I was gonna make the fold out a pocket, but I wanted to extend it first by adding a paper strip so it can be a deeper pocket and has a layered look. Then I pulled out washi tapes to make a background. I decided to add one of the envelopes from the printable on the right page and made a tuck spot behind it. I'm checking a tag in the last journaling because I wanted to see how the white ink looks on it. And I thought it'd work on the tag in today's journaling too, so I added white ink with a brush so the text can be muted and become a background. I'm gluing the tag and the fountain pen picture. I pulled out more washi tapes to add in the middle because I kinda wanted to cover the pink and connect the two pages. This is a recipe card from Daphne's Diary. It was lemon trifle. I fussy cut the images and the title because I love lemon and I thought the yellow color that lemon had would be perfect on the journal card that had blue florals with a little bit of yellow and green. So I attached them with double-sided tape because the recipe card was glossy paper. And then from Blue Floral Printable, I pulled out mini-sized vintage linens. There was full-size linen next to it, but I used it in the last journaling video. So I first cut them and trying to choose one for the upper part of the envelope. And this is a 4x6 card sheet from Journal Card Kits. You will see in a minute, but I tucked in the postcard behind the envelope and put the lined card in the pocket. Then I pulled out a mini plastic container that I keep tab and paper clip die cuts. You saw me using a tab from this in the last journaling video. And today I chose this cute butterfly paper clip. And I'm fussy cutting a floral from Floral Elements Printable to embellish the left page. And cut out February from the same printable to add on the envelope. Since I can calligraphy, I love using titles and quotes in the printable. And the Floral Elements printable has postage stamps as well. I cut one of them and it was perfect on the postcard. This is a postal code stamp that I bought in Tokyo last year, which I love so much. So I'm finishing the page by gluing the little pieces. I realized the envelope has nothing in it, but I thought it's okay like this for now because I can come back and put things in it when I want in the future. So I just close it with repositionable glue. So I'm writing, and I wrote February 2020 where a postal code is supposed to be. In France, the postal code is only 5 numbers, so I thought it's better this way. So this is how today's journaling turned out. Blue florals and yellow are going on the whole page. I love it so much. The yellow on this page reminds me of spring, and the cutest butterfly paper clip. The cutting dies are from Prima's planner collection, I believe. You will see at the end of the video, it is so adorable, the butterfly sticking out at the top when I close the journal. So I hope you enjoy this journaling process. If you like the journal cards, the envelope, or the embellishing elements, definitely check the printable in my Etsy shop. I'll link it in the description box and the comment. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye, have a great day!